So now what we'll be doing is collecting our data for the number of passengers that are held in each of the boats. So I will start with my smallest capacity. I will start with the 29 milliliter boat, and then I will place the pennies in, step 5, one at a time, flat on the bottom, and then I will repeat those steps for each of the boats 2 more times for trials 2 and 3. Then I'll move on to my 37 milliliter boat, collect the data, then my 42 milliliter boat, collect the data, 80 milliliter boat, collect the data, and then for each of the boats I'll calculate the average of number of passengers that each can hold. So for my 29 milliliter boat, place it in the water, gather my passengers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, that was not gentle, 13, 14, okay, 14. I did not get the 15th penny in there. So 14 would be our trial 1. Okay, so trial 2 was 12 passengers for the 29 milliliter boat. Let's do trial 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's off camera, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13. Okay, for the 37 milliliter boat, the SS Taco, I have already collected trials 1 and trials 2. Trial 1 was 14 passengers, trial 2, 13 passengers, so let's find out about trial 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16. Trial 3, 16. Okay, for the SS Pizza, the 42 milliliter, I already did trial 1, and we did have a passenger go apparently overboard. Okay, so trial 1 was 19. Let's do trial 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 18 for trial 2. Trial 3 for the 42 milliliter was also 18. So I did the 80 milliliter trial 1. I'm going to do trial 2. Trial 1 was 32 passengers. So trial 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 33. Trial 1, 32. Trial 2, 33. Okay, trial 3. Here we go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I'm trying not to disturb data by moving the boat. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, okay, 30. And there's your data.